To adjust volume of the alarm on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, we have a couple of ways to do so. We can go to settings, then choose sounds and vibration, and then if you go to volume, you should be able to find alarm over here. However, this option is available only if you have one volume for every alarm. So here we can adjust the volume of alarm by moving left and right on the slider. And in addition to that, you can also go to the clock app. Now over here, let's switch to alarm. And now we can tap on these three dots that can be over here on the right side or top right side of the phone and choose settings. Then we can go to volume under the alarm section. And here, as you can see, we can use the same volume for all alarms or set different volume for each alarm. So here we can also adjust the volume for all. And if you have this option selected, that you can set a different volume for each alarm, then in that case you can edit every alarm. And here, if you go to alarm sound, you should be able to adjust the volume over here at the bottom. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.